Are you looking to set up your donations? Hey guys, it's Jay Cyan. You may know me from twitch.tv/JayCyan. And today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your donations on your streams real quick. So go over to streamlabs.com, and when you go there, it's going to ask you to log in around here. I'm already logged in, so it's showing the dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on dashboard. And when you log in, be sure to log in with your Twitch. I forgot to say that. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down here and go to settings. Once you go to settings, go ahead and click on the PayPal button here and then link your PayPal email. This way you get to link your PayPal and get donated here. Next, what you want to do is go to your alert box, because I'm pretty sure most of you want this to appear on your stream for those who haven't set up the alert box. How to set this up is that you go to your donations tab, and what you do is that you go ahead and you can put the minimum amount of people how much they want to donate. My minimum is 0 because I guess any amount is a good amount to me. Since I'm a small streamer, I consider anything very beneficial and helpful to the community. You can also put a message template if you like. The name will display their username. The donate button is a separate word from these commands, and the amount is of course the amount that they're donating. Here you can put a text animation. Mine is a rubber band, and I usually keep it that way. You can put a little GIF image by go ahead and clicking on here, and you can copy and paste the image URL there, or you can go ahead and upload it by clicking the upload button and go ahead and double click on any of these to upload, or upload your own here, your own GIFs. These are my own GIFs that I upload. Very simple to do. And if you want to put the sound effect, you go ahead and do the same thing. Copy the sound or audio URL, or upload your own sounds. Pretty easy to do. And these are some other sounds that you can get that are with Streamlabs Prime, but I recommend uploading your own because it's free. You can also adjust the sound volume of this, adjust the alert duration, how long it's going to last, the text delay, how long the text is going to last, along with the alert, and enable clipping on donations. Yes, enable it. You can keep this disabled as well. And right here, you really don't need to do much here. This is to set the color of it, I guess. The font size, the weight, the font. So have that enabled. Open font settings. You can keep it as is, or you can go ahead and change the color of it. I'm pretty sure these are not by default, so I changed it up by blue. I usually pick soft colors. Be sure to pick soft colors, like this light blue here, for example. If you pick any soft color, it will be easy on the eye, so that way people can read the donations better, and so can you. And here, I just leave it by itself. Really don't need any of this, but I believe this is to put different GIFs or something whenever someone... Yes, it is. These are basically to put different GIFs depending on how much people donate to you. Like, for example, if someone donates $5, then you will have your first GIF sound for that one. Let's say they donate $1 to $5. They get the first gift and the first sound. Let's say they donate $6 to $10. They get a second GIF and a second sound. So basically, each different amount of donation they donate to you, the stream will display a different GIF and a different sound. So you can do the same thing here, just like how I showed you previously. You can call it whatever you want. You can put donate amount is at least this amount, or exactly this amount. If it's at least this amount, it will go through. If it's not at least that amount, it won't go through. And I recommend putting the least amount as 0. Like here, for example, put it at 0, so that way all your donations will go through. There's also the image above text, the fade in, the fade out animations, and all that stuff. Pretty much self-explanatory, really. You can change the colors, like I said. This is pretty much the same thing as I just explained to over here, basically. Just do the same thing, but with different GIFs to specify how much you want people to donate to you to initiate a different GIF or different sound, if that makes sense. And you can also add your donations as an alert box, like I mentioned. Just go ahead and click on the plus button on your Streamlabs OBS. If you're using regular OBS, all you got to do is go and click on a plus button. I believe they have that at regular OBS, and go and click on the browser source. Once you click on browser source, it's going to ask you to add it, and then you go to new browser source as usual, and you can call it Streamlabs alert box. This is for those who are regular OBS users. Click on that, and then go ahead, copy and paste the URL of the alert box, which I will show you in just a moment here. So go back to your Streamlabs and then go to alert box at the left. Then go ahead and copy this, or actually here, what if I do click on this here? I just click on the follower tab just because I feel like it connects with the rest of these. Don't click on this one. I'm not sure what it does exactly. Maybe it'll do the same thing, but just click on the follower tab. Once you click on the follower tab, doesn't really matter which one you click. Just click on the follower tab, click on copy. Once I click copy, go ahead and go back to your Streamlabs or your OBS, my bad. Go back to your OBS and then click on the plus button again. Just go to browser source. click add source. Oh, sorry, wait, we already added that. Now go back to your Streamlabs alert box or whichever name you picked it. I just named it Streamlabs alert box. Go ahead and highlight this and hit paste. Once you hit paste, go ahead and click done, and that's going to be your alert box now. Now, for those who are Streamlabs OBS users, you don't have to do what I just did. All you have to do is go click on the plus button, click on alert box, add source, and then once you add the source, you can name it whatever you want, just like I did, and boom, this is the alert box. That's it. You don't really have to copy and paste the URL. The reason why this is so basic is because the Streamlabs website and the Streamlabs OBS software are obviously made by the same people who made Streamlabs because they both have the same name. So essentially, you just click on the plus button, click on alert box, name it whatever you want, and you're done. You don't even have to copy and paste what I just did there. That's like an extra 2 or 3 more steps that you have to do. So you don't need to go out of your way to go to the website and do that. The website is built within this software, which is why I recommend using Streamlabs OBS, is because it's so basic and easy to use. I can give you guys the link in the description if you need to download this thing. Really basic, highly recommend it. And then once you have that, go ahead and click on test widgets and click on donation. And boom, there you go. That's how you can prove that the alert box works, by go click on test widgets and donation. See, they even have test widgets right here. Usually you can test them by going to the website, but you do not have to do that. You could just do it right here. And once you're done setting up the alert box, just go to streamlabs.com/your Twitch username, and you can just copy and paste this link here, or you could just go to your streamlabs.com and log in with your Twitch. As I said before, go to your donation history by scrolling down and click donation history. Once you do that, it's going to take you right here, and you just copy your donation page right here. You copy that and then you paste it into your panel simply by doing it like this. I'm gonna hit copy, and then I'm gonna go to my Twitch right here, go click on the about section, click on edit panels, and then it should be at your tip right here. You can go ahead, highlight this or paste it. You can go ahead and do that, or you can click on a button right here and then paste your donation right there, your donation link, so people can donate through your link that way. Go click on your about section, scroll down, click on this. Once it's highlighted or checkmarked, that means you can now edit all this. Go ahead, scroll down and click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, you can add a text or image panel. Go ahead and title it anything you want. If you like, go ahead and paste the URL right here, and then once you do that, you can say you may donate here, as all donations/tips will go towards stream equipment and etc, etc. So you can say something like that, hit submit, and you're good. You can even add an image if you like here to make it easier for people to click on. Once they click on the image, there you go, it will take you to the donation page and you're all good. And people can donate any way they like. Once you paste it, you're all good. However, mine is customized. Since I'm a Streamlabs Prime user, I decided to give it a try just cause, and I don't recommend being a Streamlabs Prime user, but it's not going to show you the same thing. It's just going to show you the default one. This is how my donation page looks like. You can donate here. I use Stream Elements for my donations, so please don't donate through my Streamlabs. If you're planning to, donate through my Stream Elements, which is right here instead, where I call it tip. Hopefully this video helped, and if so, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check out these videos that I have right here on how to grow on Twitch, and I'll see you guys there. Peace.